Ever heard of Neon Bank? Maybe a few years ago you did. They were the bright, shiny new thing in the digital banking world, promising a seamless, modern experience. But lately, it seems like they've faded into the background. So, what happened? Why isn't Neon Bank as popular as it once was? That's the question we're diving into today. It's a story that touches on the fast-paced nature of fintech, the challenges of maintaining momentum, and the ever-shifting expectations of consumers. Because let's face it, in the digital age, what's hot today can be lukewarm tomorrow. Neon Bank burst onto the scene with a lot of promise. They were one of the early players in the digital banking space, offering a sleek app, no-fee accounts, and a focus on simplicity. They tapped into the growing frustration with traditional banks, particularly among younger demographics who were looking for a more convenient and transparent way to manage their money. Their marketing was on point, their branding was fresh, and they quickly gained traction. For a while, it seemed like they were poised to revolutionize the banking industry. But then, something happened. The buzz started to die down. New competitors emerged, offering similar features and sometimes even more innovative ones. The novelty of digital banking wore off, and customers started to look beyond the initial flash and focus on the substance. And that's where, perhaps, Neon Bank started to stumble. One of the key challenges they faced was maintaining that initial momentum. In the fast-paced world of fintech, standing still is the same as falling behind. New features, improved functionality, and constant innovation are essential to stay ahead of the curve. And while Neon Bank did introduce some updates, they weren't always enough to keep pace with the competition. Another factor contributing to their decline in popularity could be related to customer service. In the digital age, customer service is more critical than ever. When things go wrong, people want quick and efficient solutions. And if Neon Bank fell short in this area, it could have led to customer dissatisfaction and ultimately, attrition. Word of mouth travels fast, especially online, and negative reviews can significantly impact a company's reputation. Furthermore, the landscape of digital banking has become incredibly crowded. New fintech startups are popping up constantly, each offering its unique take on financial services. Traditional banks have also upped their game, investing heavily in their digital platforms and offering competitive products. In this crowded marketplace, Neon Bank struggled to differentiate itself and maintain its competitive edge. It's also worth considering the ever-changing expectations of consumers. What was considered innovative and cutting-edge a few years ago is now commonplace. Customers are constantly demanding more, whether it's better features, lower fees, or a more personalized experience. And if a company fails to meet these evolving expectations, they risk losing their customer base. Ultimately, the story of Neon Bank is a cautionary tale. It highlights the challenges of maintaining popularity in the fast-paced world of fintech. It's a reminder that innovation is not a one-time event, but an ongoing process. And it underscores the importance of customer service and adapting to the ever-changing needs of consumers. The digital landscape is littered with companies that were once hot but failed to stay relevant. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.